Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game. A veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they're hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to burn, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive.
Even some of the opposing fans are clapping that. You just have to appreciate it. Yeah, and it's not a surprise to see him elect to shoot from there, considering how much movement can be generated on the ball. Great hit.
Diego Maradona! Diego Maradona! Diego Maradona!
Yeah, all day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb, we would get drunk.
I doubt very much that this was in the script.
We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car, driving so far, playing guitar, you'd show me your heart. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we would never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, no pain when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
And the finish! And yes, it's there! That is remarkable! All square in a matter of moments. Yeah, since going a goal down, they've dug in to produce a really fine spell, which for me deserved that equaliser. That's wonderfully done. Crisp pitch, true finish. Well, most of those go high and wide because of their difficulty. He made it look like he does it every day.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Italy had the equaliser and we're all square. I think the coach would really be annoyed with that. Players were still thinking about their goal. Just got caught. He's got the shot away! A well cut out, marking ground territory. And the counter is on.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally
staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Never gonna make it. De Bruyne, and they can counter here to set free a runner. He's free. He's Bellingham. Let's go! Oh, delicious! Such devilish curl. What was notable in that, Peter, was the fact that he didn't try to blast it. He chose placement instead and delivered a peach. Victorious. Portugal have ultimately had the better of things in the first half. That would have been game, set and match. Well, he's looked very lively. He really wants to put this game to bed. Barella. Italy finding their passes. Hernandez spots it and intercepts.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret this, hope I don't regret this. I'm feeling hella reckless, cashing on my checks, bitch. Hickeys on my neck, shit, she's on the offensive. I do not know my set list, still I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I have a death wish, live until I'm breathless. I'ma stay progressive, she gon' stay obsessive. Life is so expensive, do everything excessive. I think my brain's defective, yeah. Can't think when she's aggressive, yeah. She snuck into my section, yeah. You think I'd learn my lesson, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies.
It's a super show all round. Both sides
You want it, girl, then show me. Yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep. These girls don't even know me. Like Drake, I'm getting trophies. You want it, girl, then show me. 'Cause we